So today I've made this beat and uh, we'll listen to that. It's a different genre. I always start with this loop, with a loop, and this is the one. Then, as always, I've added some edit rate with the kicks. Then the hi-hat, and then overhead with a snare. Then I've done the intro like this. With the tape stop effect. Then this part it's a party next door like effect. And this is the outro. And this is the beat. If you want to buy this beat, as always, text me on Instagram. I'll leave my G on the screen.